How to use demonstrative pronouns. Here are the 2 usage guidelines and rules for how to use demonstrative pronouns. Rule 1. Use a singular demonstrative pronoun to refer to a single person, animal, object. For example, this is my phone. That is your laptop. Rule 2. Use a plural demonstrative pronoun to refer to more than one person, place, animal, or object. For example, A. These are my pens. B. Those are your books. Facts or frequently asked questions, demonstrative pronoun. What is a demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is a word used to point to a particular person, animal, object, idea, concept, belief, and others.